Welcome back, guys. I'm Jerry. We're out at my daughter's property again, and we're going to be clearing some more trees today, maybe move some sand. So here we are in front of the 320C, the excavator that's going to do most of the work. So we're going to get this going. My plan today is to get all this stuff bucked up for Nick so he can take the excavator and move it onto the appropriate piles, and we can get this part wrapped up. We have a few more trees that have to come down back here, but we're getting close enough where we can start pushing the sand and building out over the hill. That's the plan, to start pushing, building the pad for the house here shortly. This thing's massive, and if we get that far and we still have some time, we're going to start moving some sand that's down there in the driveway that came from the driveway and start pushing it over. So let's get this party started. They'll be out here in about an hour. It's a little late in the day. It's about 11 on this Sunday, so we got a late start today. But I'm gonna buck this up, and this looks like good sawmill wood. Popple, I see maple, I see a couple oaks, another popple. So I'm just gonna buck this up to length. I forgot to tape measure again. My chainsaw is 32 inches end to end. All right, let's get this going. This is my boy Garrett, who happened to stop by and help out. He was a big help. I'm pretty sure I know how I lost my sound. I ended up taking off my lapel mic, and I put it back in its container that I stored in, and I evidently left it on. So all this background noise we're picking up is because the mic is picking it up, but it's a long ways away. And I'm losing Bluetooth connection, that's why it's bouncing so bad. Raylan brought his excavator today as well. He's actually pretty good at it, and he understands the concept. This place is really starting to open up nice. Looks like it's going to be a great building site. This excavator is a great help out here at the property, and unfortunately it fails on us today, and it took us about a week to figure it out, but we were able to fix it. And here's Nick underneath the excavator in a minute, put the parts back together. Why not bring a load of firewood home? Here's the throttle control module we replaced.
I'd say it's a little too low though.
Because it keeps idling down?
Matter of fact, it still doesn't work. Yeah.
Off camera, we realized we forgot to plug in one of the relays.
Thank you.
After plugging in the relay, all hydraulics were back and everything was working fine. So today is the day we get back after it. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you at the Bentons property next time.